In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on Walmart. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a big disclaimer and say that Walmart is having some issues with Afterpay and it might not be appearing for some people. A lot of users have reported that they used to have the option to access Walmart, but they don't have it anymore. So the best way to proceed about this is to open up the Afterpay app or the website as I'm doing here on your end and look for Walmart. As you can see, when I search for Walmart, the only option I have is Walmart gift cards. And although this works and I can just buy gift cards to use inside of Walmart, this might not be what you're looking for, since you might want to spend a very specific amount of money or buy a specific item inside Walmart. Like I said, what you have to do is simply look for Walmart and see if it's listed under the search results. If it is, you can just select Walmart from the search results and proceed by using Afterpay inside of the app. If you get an error like this one I'm showing you on screen, make sure to do this through the app and select Walmart from the app, or reinstall the app entirely if you still cannot use Afterpay. Regardless, check to see if the Walmart option is enabled, and if it is, good. If not, sadly, then there is no workaround to it and you just need to wait to see if Walmart settles their business with Afterpay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Walmart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.